Owayesakuba ngumsebenzi ojongene nokwanjiswa kokutya eBOSASA uBongiwe Dube uthi unkosikazi Nomvula Mokonyane wafumana iziqhuma zokutya kule nkampani. Ngaphambili unkosikazi Nomvula Mokonyane waziphika wama ngomlemzomnye ezityholo ngethuba kule komishoni.
The time when I was asking that there is such a delivery, like we are closed, and there is a delivery which is supposed to come here, and these people are asking what is it for and what must I do about it. And then that's where I found out it's for Nomvula Mokonyane.
Do you know what the monetary value was of the order for Ms. Nomvula Mokonyane that the food boys called you about? Or the price, do you know what it was or do you not know?
The price, they just explained something like there is a big order for about 17,000, which we have here.
That's what they said?
Yes.
Yeah, so it's what they said, you don't know about it, but that's what they told you.
Yes.
Unkosikazi Dube uthi baququzelela nomsitho kwikhaya lowayesakuba ngumongameli weli umnumzana Jacob Zuma.
We only did a birthday once for Jacob Zuma.
Who gave you instructions to do that?
We were instructed by Alisa Iso.
uDube uthi wabona namanye amalungu ANC ebambe inhlakaniso kwiofisi yeBOSASA.
I saw Fikile Mbalula. I saw Kwete Mantache.
Le komishoni saqhuba.